In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your preferred audio language on your VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the VLC Media Player and select the Tools tab up at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. Now you want to select the Audio tab or tile in here. And there should be something underneath Tracks, Preferred Audio Language. Just go ahead and enter that in here, whatever you want the preferred language to be. And then you would select Save to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.